Sky Nature Lizard Again Bloopers. Well, looks like the Optimum gang are back for another logo blooper session.
Yup, however before we begin, some new recruits of Optimum have joined recently, and here they are. He's correct, I'm Will Smith. And I'm Jazz.
Hang on a sec, I just heard rumors about a third new recruit coming in. Where is he?
I think the third recruit might be arriving later than planned. Also, me, Michael, Dwight and Jim have also decided to arrive at Stuntsville TV also since we haven't appeared in a local blooper episode yet.
And some new recruits will also be joining us here on Stuntsville TV. These include Giggy Kong, the Puzzler, and Shrek.
Okay, no time to waste, let's begin. Roll camera, cue the ident.
Visit a global biodiversity hotspot to discover the bizarre and beautiful natural secrets of Africa's hidden kingdoms. The full series is available on demand from Sky Nature.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me. What's Heartsbane doing here on the ident? Well, you got karma, Chandler.
Not this again.
Visit a global biodiversity hotspot to discover the bizarre and beautiful natural secrets of Africa's hidden kingdoms. The full series is available on demand from Sky Nature.
The Chocolate Starfish and a Hot Dog Flavored Water, the 2001 studio album by Limp Bizkit.
Why the heck does this cover look so suggestive?
To be honest, I don't know.
The cover authors must have been on drugs while he was making this. I know, right?
Oh, I'm here. Sorry I'm late, I was stuck in traffic.
Oh, look who it is! It's Mr. Banks from Mary Poppins!
Really sucks you cut man simp. I'm not from Mary Poppins.
Yeah, guy business. He's actually from the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Yeah, I know that, but anyways, let's continue on.
Visit a global biodiversity hotspot to discover the bizarre and beautiful natural secrets of Africa's hidden kingdoms. The full series is available on demand from Sky Nature.
Hey, who put down the Sky Nature Lizard Agent?
I did! LOL!
Oh, that's it, Jazz. I'll throw you out.
Well, there goes Jazz. Thrown out again like always.
Well, he's always a party pooper. Lame joke, Wilkins.
Visit a global biodiversity hotspot to discover the bizarre and beautiful natural secrets of Africa's hidden kingdoms. The full series is available on demand from Sky Nature.
What the? Who called me the clock gamer?
Obvious answer, it was Tails.
You know what? For that, I'm gonna kick you in the you-know-what this time.
Ouch! Not my you-know-what! Ouch!
Hope that will teach you a lesson not to call me the clock gamer. Tail spammer.
Tantrum coming on in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, great going, Tails! Your Tandra just planted Gru and Robbie Rotten in the ground!
Oh, fickle. Well, guess I wasn't lucky enough to avoid that langing. Well, I definitely wasn't either. I'd be falling the ground more times than you think. Probably because you're bald. Shut up! Let's get out of here for the earth and get us. Later, after Gru and Robbie Rotten got out of the ground,
Visit a global biodiversity hotspot to discover the bizarre and beautiful natural secrets of Africa's hidden kingdoms. The full series is available on demand from Sky Nature.
Hey everybody, let's go over to Fit Town where everyone's fit, lol.
what the heck is he on about? I don't know, pig. Don't sweat, suction cup, man. You're no fun. Looks like someone rang the doorbell. I think I'll answer it. Who could be at the door? We'll find out.
Hello, can I come back? I've been waiting in for a while.
Yes, Jazz, you can.
Yay!
Visit a global biodiversity hotspot to discover the bizarre and beautiful natural secrets of Africa's hidden kingdoms. The full series is available on demand from Sky Nature.
Shores?
Hang me already.
Okay.
Ow! I didn't mean literally. Amy Rose, why did you get the mean Moscow wedgie?
Because he said "and me," right?
You know what, Amy? Get over here.
What are you doing?
This! Oh, great, no, I get. Oh, come on, this again, suction cup, man. She's only 12. So, does this mean I'm getting cancelled again? Yeah, I guess. Oh, god damn it, but that's what she deserves for being a control freak.
Well, what about Dottie over there, huh?
The name's Dot. Call me Dottie and you die.
Fry!
Guy!
Fry!
Guy!
Fry!
Guy! Okay, girls, break it up for goodness sake.
And stop sending death threats to each other. Capiche?
Well, looks like I didn't see that one coming. The good thing is at least they're more tolerant than the tail spammer. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la.
No! The alarm's going off!
Oh great, who could that be?
Oh no, it's Ed Sheeran and Justin Bieber!
Long time no see, Jack.
And this time we will succeed.
Now what do these two want from us? And if they make a false accusation, I'ma fly on them.
You ain't Superman, Mr. Banks!
Oh, who cares? Anyways, we're here for Ryan Howard.
What? I haven't done anything throughout this whole episode. Why are you taking me?
Well, we're taking you to the Purple Hanglair for fun.
For fun? That has got to be one of the lamest reasons to come in here. Yeah! What do you think they're gonna do next?
Hey, Ed Sheeran, look! It's a stupid puppet.
A stupid puppet!
You are to a stupid puppet. Stupid puppet, stupid puppet, stupid puppet, stupid puppet, stupid puppet.
That's it, Ed Sheeran and Justin Bieber. For that, I am going to show my mouth in 3, 2, 1.
And for me, Davin, Ethan Green, and Jonathan Floss and Miss Dummy.
What the hell? Get your disgusting puppet breath away from us.
Yeah, it makes us sick.
Ew.
Ew. Ew.
Got him!
Somebody end my life. And Gaby Rose, got you some thing about giving the mean Moscow a wedgie again. Capiche?
Oh, Lavender!
That's what we thought.
Now's my chance to finish them off. There. I sent those two back where they belong, as they deserve.
Thank you, Clock Stephen the gang, wig a baby donkey and ginger donkey.
No problem. Anyways, we can now resume our video.
Visit a global biodiversity hotspot to discover the bizarre and beautiful natural secrets of Africa's hidden kingdoms. The full series is available on demand from Sky Nature.
Oh yes! We got the Ident correct.
And now I'm going to impersonate Chandler as revenge. Hello, my name is Chandler and I'm an idiot who thinks Chubby's a quiet baby bee. Oh!
Charmy, you son of a b-
And another tactical problem bites the dust. Anyway, so I'm off the mood, let's go out somewhere to eat.
I swear to God, if it's Ghidorah's Beautiful Steakhouse, I'm going to lose it.
Don't worry, Silver, we're not going to Gagor's Beautiful Steakhouse. Instead, we're going to Gagor's Beautiful Steakhouse.
Tantrum at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welp, there goes the wings.
Good night, everybody.
Jazz!
Wait, Yago, don't you dare throw me out again! Ah!